For calling us this morning, and good morning to you. How can I help you?
Good morning, sir. I bought it. Actually, I applied for IPO in TCS when it was first came. TCS.
Right. Tata Consultancy Services.
And I got 14 shares that I accumulated. Now I am holding 195 shares.
Wow.
So should I continue to hold it or can I exit?
Okay. All right. So, I mean, incredible. Murugan, thanks so much for that question. And it's quite obvious that you're asking about the fundamentals and whether or not to acquire more at the current juncture. Asta, we've got a viewer who has bought TCS from IPO stage, holding on, has built his positions over a period of time, still holding about 195, which he's bought in an average price, I believe, of 653. Should he add more at this point? Should he hold on? What's the view? This is essentially a portfolio stock.
Yes, so I would recommend to hold on this counter with a price target of 4,700 at the initial levels. It is not the ultimate price target, but in the short term, we can see that kind of price target in this counter. Now, talking about this counter, they have shown resilient performance, especially their BFSI segment, when we all know that the macroeconomic conditions were not that good in their Q2 results. In fact, the other segments like manufacturing, or if we talk about the consumer or life sciences, are expected to perform better now, as the US economy, we all know, is performing in a stronger way. So I think this counter will continue to hold value and it will generate the value for the stockholders as well as shareholders. So I have no issue in recommending hold on this counter. Stay invested in the counter. Initial price target can be set at around 4,700, but I think this price target is subject to upgrade from those levels also.
Okay, fantastic. All right, so that's the view on TCS. Of course, the IT pack was under pressure at the start of the week, but it is up and about in trade today. If I'm not mistaken, it is the sector with the biggest gains right now, the IT index gaining in trade today. The Nifty IT. In fact, let's pull up the Nifty IT and see where it's currently trading, up about 1% or so, more or less holding on to the gains from earlier on in the session. Let's talk about the next question. It's from Lavish, and he's asking about TD Power System, which he's bought at levels of 452. He's got 500 shares. And he's looking at a one-year target for the stock. He's currently in the green. He's bought at 452. The stock is 458 or thereabouts. So not too far away from his buy price. But Swati, on the charts, how does it look?
Yes, definitely, Alex. The chart looks very positive at the current market price, though he has bought at a higher levels. But I believe that the strength is intact in this particular stock, trading in the high tops, high bottom formations, well placed above the important moving averages. I believe that very soon we are likely to witness a new high towards to 500 and about at level 540 can be seen. So if you're looking for a shorter term duration, at least 3 to 6 months, definitely you can hold on by maintaining a strict stop loss for 420 levels for immediate target of 500 and then 540 levels on highs.
Sure, if we actually took a question on this stock, but I'm still going to go across to Karthik from Coimbatore, who's joining us on the phone line now. Karthik, as I understand it, you want to know about NMDC, right? Karthik, can you hear me?
Hello.
Hi, Karthik.
Yeah, thanks for the opportunity. As I am a new trader, I have a doubt on NMDC share.
Yes, please.
I have currently bought 500 shares at price 244.
Right.
And can I hold this share for a year?
For a year, okay. Since you're a trader, I'm curious, did you have any targets that you've placed on the stock?
No, not at all.
You haven't placed any targets, all right. But you have a one-year time frame. Swati, I'm going to come across to you. I'm not sure if I've already asked you about NMDC, but I'm still going to take this to you. 244 is the buy price, so he's losing a little bit of ground. What kind of target would you place for 1 year? Would you say that he can hold on to this?
Yes, Alex, definitely the counter can be hold because we have seen the already correction from almost 300 to 200 levels. Now the stock is showing a positive reversal from the oversold zone. So the selling pressure will be minimized at the current market price, but as of now it is in the consolidation phase. It's just stuck within the tight range of 200 to 240 levels. So breakout on either side will decide the clear trend of this particular stock. Since it is trading in an oversold zone, I believe the bounce back rally can be seen about 240 towards 270 to 300 levels. So it's a hold from my end at the current market price as well.
Let's run through a few quick questions. I'm coming back to you, Swati, on Sunny's question. He's got MapMy India and he's bought 250 shares at a price of 2,000 rupees. Is it a good mid to long-term hold on the technicals?
Yes, Alex, you can hold on this particular counter because we have already seen a correction from 2500 to 1500 almost at level. At the current market price, one should not definitely book their losses because we are witnessing some sort of a bounce back rally which may take a counter back towards to 2000 to 2200. So it's a hold from my end. If you're asking for any stop losses, 1600 it will act as a crucial support levels. So by keeping that stop loss, you can hold on the long positions for 200 target. Beyond that, 2200 levels can be seen.
Naresh is joining us on the phone line. Naresh, just hold on. I'm going to take one more question from WhatsApp before I come to you. Satya is asking about KC International, and he's asking for the next 1 to 2 years, would you suggest a fresh entry? What's a quick view on this one, Asta, on the fundamentals?
The fundamentals are looking decent to us. I think one can enter into this counter, but at the lower level of around 980 or 970. So yes, entry is recommended, but on the dips.